If you ask an artificial intelligence to build you a financial strategy, you are probably going to lose money. Recent academic studies tested popular language models on personal finance and discovered a massive problem. The models regularly hallucinate investment math, invent fake academic sources, and give dangerous generic advice. People treat these systems like giant calculators, which is exactly why they fail. But there is a completely different way to use this technology that actually works. Instead of using it for math, you can use it to hack your own behavioral psychology. The secret is treating the software like a behavioral economist whose sole job is to intercept your irrational financial decisions. Over the next few minutes, we are going to walk through the exact prompt framework that shifts your strategy from simple budgeting to deep behavioral change. The first step involves uncovering a financial blind spot you probably completely ignore. Chapter 1: The Emotional Audit Prompt. Before we can build a new system, we must look at the invisible forces draining your bank account right now. Most financial stress comes from emotional spending rather than practical necessities. We naturally justify purchasing things when we feel tired, stressed, or overly excited. The first prompt asks the intelligence to analyze your past 30 days of discretionary spending and categorize the emotional triggers behind each purchase. You simply paste your statement and ask the system to identify the psychological states that likely caused these specific transactions. You might find that late-night shopping perfectly correlates with stressful days at work. Seeing your habits reflected back without judgment creates a profound shift in perspective. Once you identify these specific emotional triggers, you stop blaming yourself for a lack of discipline. The real, lingering question is what we actually do with this new data next. Chapter 2: The Friction Generation Strategy. Knowing your triggers is helpful, but awareness alone will not stop you from making impulsive purchases. We need to introduce intentional friction into your daily routine. Behavioral economics teaches us that adding just a few seconds of delay can completely change a financial decision. You can prompt the artificial intelligence to act as a strict financial gatekeeper. The prompt requires you to write a brief explanation to the software every single time you want to buy something non-essential. By asking the system to aggressively critique your reasoning, you force your brain out of its automatic emotional state. The software will calmly point out flaws in your logic and ask if this purchase aligns with your long-term goals. You suddenly have a rational barrier standing between you and an impulse buy. This simple pause changes everything, which perfectly sets up our next major shift. Chapter 3: The Opportunity Cost Simulator. We struggle to visualize the future because our brains prioritize immediate rewards over long-term security. When you consider buying an expensive coffee machine, the pleasure feels real right now, while the future savings feel incredibly abstract. The opportunity cost prompt fixes this cognitive distortion. You tell the system about a specific upcoming purchase and ask it to simulate 3 alternative uses for that exact amount of money. The intelligence might show how investing that sum could realistically fund a future family vacation or pay for months of groceries during an emergency. By generating vivid alternative scenarios, the software translates abstract numbers into tangible life experiences. You're no longer choosing between a coffee machine and a boring savings account. You're choosing between a coffee machine and a stress-free holiday. But visualization alone is only half the battle, as we'll discover. Chapter 4: The Lifestyle Creep Detector. Your spending quietly expands to match your income, creating a trap that keeps successful people permanently stressed. When you get a raise, you might start ordering takeout more often or upgrading your subscriptions. This slow inflation is completely invisible while it happens. The Lifestyle Creep prompt asks the artificial intelligence to analyze your fixed expenses over the past 2 years and flag any category that has grown faster than inflation. You ask the system to calculate exactly how much wealth you're losing to these subtle lifestyle upgrades. The software acts as an objective mirror that points out when comfort has quietly transformed into waste. It removes the emotional attachment you have to your current standard of living and presents the mathematical reality of your choices. Addressing this creeping inflation prepares you for the most crucial prompt in our financial framework. Coming up next, Chapter 5: The Anti-Identity Realignment Protocol. We often spend money to project a specific image to the world, even when that image damages our future security.
You might buy expensive athletic gear because you want to be seen as healthy, or lease a luxury car to look successful. This prompt forces you to confront the difference between your actual values and your performative spending. You ask the system to review your recurring purchases and group them into categories based on personal identity. The intelligence will ask you difficult questions about why you need certain items to feel complete. It challenges the assumption that buying premium brands actually improves your quality of life in a meaningful way. Disconnecting your self-worth from your consumption habits is incredibly liberating and remarkably effective for wealth generation. Once you decouple your identity from your spending, you are finally fully ready to automate your success. Chapter 6: The Behavioral Default Setting. Human beings are inherently lazy when it comes to managing complex systems. If saving money requires active effort every single month, you will eventually fail when life gets overwhelmingly busy. Behavioral economics proves that we almost always stick with the default option presented to us. The default prompt instructs the artificial intelligence to design a fully automated financial ecosystem where the right decisions happen without your direct involvement. You tell the system your exact income schedule and ask it to write out specific instructions for routing your money instantly. The software maps out how to automatically distribute funds into investments, bills, and guilt-free spending before you ever see the balance. By removing willpower from the equation entirely, you ensure that saving becomes the effortless default. This automation creates a solid foundation, which leaves us with one final psychological hurdle to successfully overcome today. Chapter 7: The Anti-Panic Simulation. The greatest financial plans are completely destroyed by fear rather than bad math. When the stock market drops or an unexpected expense arrives, your brain immediately shifts into survival mode. This panic leads to terrible choices, like selling investments at the absolute worst possible moment. The final prompt prepares you for these inevitable emotional extremes before they happen. You ask the intelligence to simulate a severe economic downturn and explain exactly how your specific portfolio would temporarily react. The software walks you through historical examples of market recoveries, creating a rational mental script for you to follow during future crises. By preloading these calm, analytical responses into your brain now, you immunize yourself against future financial anxiety. You stop reacting to short-term noise and start trusting the behavioral systems you have built. Your strategy is no longer about predicting numbers, but mastering yourself.